A radiator flush is an essential part of car maintenance. Your radiator helps cool your engine, so it's important that you flush it at manufacturer-recommended intervals. To do the job yourself, you'll need the following. First, safely park the car on a flat surface and let it fully cool before beginning the flush. You may also want to jack the vehicle up several inches and place it safely on jack stands for better access to the underside. Next, underneath the car, locate the drain valve, also called a petcock, in the corner of the radiator. Place a disposable drip pan directly underneath and open it, allowing the coolant in the radiator to drain into the pan. Have a spare ready in case you need it. Coolant can be messy and poisonous to animals, so try to avoid dripping it on the ground. Once empty, close the petcock and dispose of the coolant appropriately. Up top, locate the radiator and twist off the pressure cap. Using a funnel, fill the radiator with distilled water, then recap. Start the engine and turn on the heat. Let both run for at least 5 minutes. Once done, turn off the car and let it cool. Once again, place pan under the petcock. Open it to drain fully. Then close. Now follow the same procedure, but this time with a cleaning agent recommended by your vehicle's manufacturer. Once you've drained the cleaning agent from the system, close the petcock. With the radiator properly flushed, you're ready to replace the coolant. The type you use will depend on your vehicle, so consult your owner's manual. Once done, securely cap the radiator and start the vehicle so the new coolant can cycle through the system. Doing your own radiator flush will help your cooling system stay in top condition, and it can save you a good bit of money as well. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.